Alright, here's how you're going to put your handy dandy vacuum cleaner back together after it is completely dry. 3 pieces, filter, garbage holder, dust holder, additional filter. The filter goes in the filter. And there's a little picture on it right here reminding you that the filter goes in there. You put the little basket in. Doesn't really click or anything, it just sits. And now this, you want to see the words that say slide to access filter. This goes right on the bottom part of the vacuum. Just pops right in. Once that's on, it's just putting on the duster and that. The orange part down here gets attached to the front. Also, just slide it in. And it should open and close like you're used to opening it to empty it out. That is putting together the vacuum cleaner. Wait until it's fully dry, please. Otherwise it gets fucked up. Look what it says right here on the charger. Don't forget to clean your filters. It's good that we're doing this